Wonderful new construction, designer open floor plan in this 1400 square feet, single-family home with attention to detail. This home is ready for your comfort and convenience. Energy efficient. Granite kitchen countertops with glass tile backsplash. Custom cabinets. 2 full baths. Plus GE stainless appliances. Garage with storage galore. You will not believe the attention to detail in this new 2014 home. Beautiful 0.65-acre lot with gorgeous wooded views from rear windows. Home is in the growing, small town of Gretna. This is a wonderful place to raise a family and enjoy that small town life. Directions from Alta Vista RT29 to First Business Exit. Then right on to Leftwick Street. Quarter mile to home on right.